Well, hello everyone. Welcome to another episode of What Are Angie and Carrie Up Again to this time. So this is the trip we talked about last, or like February-ish. We were going to be going to a hiking trip to Havasupai Falls, which is in Arizona. It's a 4-day hike, 3 days backpacking. You'd stay 3 nights, you hike 4 days. But it's kind of brutal. It's down in the Grand Canyon, but we decided to extend our trip by a little bit. Because it's a 30-hour drive from Minnesota and it's not worth driving 60 hours for 4 days. So we are going to go hit up Moab for a few days and do some rappelling and things like that. But as usual, we tried this last fall and it worked. We're going to use my car to camp in because we're short and we can do it. So this space here has to be transformed into sleeping quarters and put all of our things into it. So I have a stash of stuff started here, but we're going to see how this all fits. It's going to be like car Tetris. Here we go. Yep, gonna have to get a scissors and cut that off. Got them all in here, got both pads to fit, had to cut one off. Decided to get fancy and put a sheet on. So you guys saw me getting the bare basics together in my car. My next big problem is my backpack. There's so many things to fit in the pack when you have to go on a backpacking trip. Here's my problem. I got my down coat, my sleeping bag, all the food, a little bit of shampoos, natural stuff, it won't hurt the water, the tent, the sleeping mat, my bear spray, 2 bear bags, of course, TP. I was told to bring that. It has to all go in there. I tried it once, thought I was going to tip over backwards. So I have to repack. I'm going to try it again. Not sure quite what to do, but this is attempt number 2. I have a feeling this is not going to be good either. The weight's too low. But we'll see. Well, this is better than the last one. But I still feel like I'm going to tip over backwards. What am I doing wrong?